Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for a music account with SoundCloud, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Go to the SoundCloud website. In the top right corner, click on the sign up button. You will see several options to create an account. You can choose to sign up with your email address, Google account, or Facebook account. If you select email, fill in your email address. Create a password that meets the requirements. Enter your display name. Make sure your display name is unique and represents you or your brand. Once you have filled in the required fields, click the Create Account button. If you signed up with an email, check your inbox for a confirmation email from SoundCloud. Open the email and click on the confirmation link. This will take you back to the SoundCloud website. You may need to log in again using your email and password. Once logged in, you will be guided through a setup process. Complete your profile by adding a profile picture in bio. You can also link your social media accounts. Explore the settings to customize your account preferences. Now you're ready to start uploading your music. To upload tracks, click on the Upload button. Select the files you want to share from your device. Fill in the necessary details for each track like title, genre, and description. Adjust the privacy settings as needed. Finally, click on the Save or Publish button. Your music is now available on SoundCloud for others to listen to. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.